Welcome to AI Traders live market analysis using artificial intelligence to find high probability trades. In today's AI Traders Live episode, we'll be looking at the Nasdaq 100 and the S&P 500 index from an ETF perspective. We'll be looking at the QQQ and the SPDR ETFs that mimic these two major indices. Here's a brief disclaimer. I'm Richard Miller and I'll be presenting today's AI Traders Live show. In addition to the QQQ, the QQQ and the SPDR ETFs, we'll be looking at the 3 times leveraged ETF, the QQQ, as well as the 3 times leveraged ETF of the SPDR ETF, the UPRO. We use 4 artificial intelligence engines: major market reversals, classic swing trades, volatility breakouts, and quick 3-day moves. Now, these 4 strategies cater for different time frames. Whether you're a swing trader or a position trader, each one of these can offer you trading opportunities. Now, a brief tip of the iceberg explanation how the AI works. The AI does 10 to the power of 200 different possible combinations of stock market indicators and market relationships using neural networks, genetic algorithms, and fuzzy logic. So what the AI does, it takes every single technical indicator with every single setting and combines them together and eliminates the weak trades and only focuses on the high probability trades, the highest, those technical trading strategies or combination of technical strategies that's got the highest probability of success. And that brings us back to these 4 artificial intelligence engines: major market reversals, classic swing trades, volatility breakouts, and quick 3-day moves. Now, jumping straight into the MetaStock platform, where we've got the Fulgent AI engine loaded, and we're going to look at the QQQ and the SPDR ETF. I've got the MetaStock platform open, I've got the Fulgent AI engine running, and the AI engine I'm using for the QQQ and SPDR ETF has been trained over thousands of data points since the inception of each ETF, basically. And the major market reversals signal is on average 78% accurate, with an average profit per trade of 6.6%. That's the average over thousands of trades. Quick move is a 71% accurate AI. Swing trades is on average 71% accurate as well, and the volatility breakout AI is about 52% accurate with 1.2% average profit per trade. So you get quite a lot of those type trades. Now, these trading statistics is over thousands of trades, thousands of data points that we've tested since the inception of the 2 indices and ETFs. And remember, we've tested every single possible combination of technical indicator with every single possible setting. So if these indicators don't make money using technical analysis, then no other indicator will, because we've tested them, done millions and millions of calculations identifying the winning trade. So these are all high probability trade setups. If we look at the QQQ next, maximize that window, we can see on the 9th of March we had a lovely volatility breakout signal, and the AI did put a very wide stop loss in. And the AI gets out of a position at a trailing stop, or if it's generating a sell signal. So yeah, it hit the trailing stop. We then got a quick move signal. Then it also exited that quick move signal. So that's the situation on the daily chart. So we've had a nice little relief rally in, but the AI is now sitting on the sidelines on the daily chart, for example. If we look at the 4-hour chart for the QQQ using the AI, it takes a couple of seconds to load. There we go. So we had a lovely swing trade here in March. That one worked out beautifully, captured most of that move there, and then eventually took profits off the table when the AI exited the long, then generated a volatility breakout. That hit the stop loss pretty quickly, and we've got a new volatility breakout there with a very wide stop loss here at 330 or 329 basically. So that is the current volatility breakout signal on the QQQ on the 4-hour chart. Now let's turn back down to the QQQ's chart to go and have a look at that one, see any signals on there. Let's maximize this. This is a QQQ. Now the AI has also looked for the individual characteristics of the QQQ, how it responds, because it's a 3 times leverage ETF. You can see we've captured some really great moves on it. Quick move there, quick move there. And this, so currently it's got a quick move signal, very wide stop loss here below $40. So you can see very aggressive. The AI is expecting more volatility to come. And now let's go and look at the 4-hour chart on the QQQ. If there's any active signals on there. you've got a volatility breakout once again. Very wide stop loss here. You can see that is where the new stop loss is at $43 is a new volatility breakout signal. And so we have a shorter term volatility trade up. You can see the last volatility breakout captured a really good move, so it captured quite a nice rally on that, on the back of that. But that's on the 4-hour Ichimoku, 4-hour chart of the AI chart of the TQQ. Let me just zoom in here. So that's the situation with the triple Q ETF. We've had a couple of nice signals. There's a quick move signal in there. There's a exit long on the quick move, but you don't always have to respond to that one. Ideally, I look for any signal to actually hit a trailing stop loss. So there's a shorter term quick move signal on it with a very wide stop loss here at 324 on the end of day triple Q signal. The S&P500 ETF, Spider ETF, the last volatility breakout here just before 9th of March. That was actually the signal on the 7th of March. A nice little rally there. It then hit the exit signal there on the 11th of April, so it did capture a nice move there. You could actually exit earlier when it reaches upside resistance targets, etc. But if you're just purely following the signals, the black and white signals of the AI, that is where the AI traded out. Now, we've got a quick move signal in now. It's got a very wide stop loss here. You can see there's a very wide stop loss. So a quick move is a 3 to 5 day trade. So expect a little snapback, maybe back to these old resistance levels there on the Spider ETF. But the last two volatility breakouts, quite tasty profits on that one. Now let's take a look at the 4-hour chart intraday to see if there's any other signals on the intraday. Data to refresh. We had a lovely swing trade here for March, captured a fantastic move there. Volatility breakout there. Is still in a trade, but it's getting dangerously close to the stop loss. So we'll be interested to see if we're going to get that little relief rally there based on the S&P500 ETF. So getting close to the trailing stop loss, but we still have an active volatility signal on it. If we just take a look for the sake of interest what the hourly chart looks like. Will be interesting to see. Now, the AI is not trained for the hourly one. We're just using the end of day signals, and we rely on the concept of fractal mathematics somewhat to give us an idea. You can see we've also got a volatility breakout signal on the hourly one. That did capture some beautiful trades on the hourly one on the Spider ETF. Now, if we just look at the UPRO, which is a 3 times leveraged ETF of the Spider, you can see we have last volatility breakout worked out beautifully. And we have a quick move signal on there with a very wide stop loss as the AI expects more volatility in this market. It's adjusting the stop loss to accommodate that type of volatility in the market. But the UPRO has also got a quick move signal in it. Let's take a look at the 4-hour chart intraday to see what the signals is on that level. Takes a second or two to load. You can see that we've also got a volatility breakout signal getting very close to the trading stop loss. But yeah, so far so good. Fantastic swing trade here in March, captured a beautiful move there, and then it hit the trading stop there, and now it's got a volatility breakout on the UPRO. So there's shorter term swing trades on all 4 of these ETFs, and do expect some form of a relief rally based on the AI analysis, but also expect increased volatility since the AI has got very wide stop loss, so it's adjusting for that added volatility expected in the market. But so far so good. Winning with AI, trading the triple Q and the Spider ETFs. And that brings us to the end of this edition of AI Traders Live. For the regular viewers, you can log off now. Thanks for watching. And for anybody that's new to the show that wants to get your hands on your own artificial intelligence engine, hold on for the next section where I explain how to get your hands on this particular high probability artificial intelligence trading software. Thanks for watching. Until next time, happy AI trading. Bye for now. If any traders wants to get their hands on having your own artificial intelligence engine, go to metastock.com/alphaharvest 3 for 1. We've got a fantastic buy 3 months for the price of 1 deal on at the moment, and you can try it out and see if the artificial intelligence engine fits your trading style. metastock.com/alphaharvest 3 for 1. This is what the landing page looked like. We've got a 3 months for the price of 1 deal. whether you're taking the artificial intelligence engine on a end of day basis, the side, or the real time. If you do high frequency intraday trading, we've got two options for the buy 3 months for the price of one deal on MetaStock platform. Once again, thanks for watching, and join me next time for more artificial intelligence trading. Bye for now.